KitchenAid dishwasher complaint. Dishwasher will not accept commands. Touchpad control was inoperative. Quick systems check. Last drain appeared to have drained. Door seal slightly compromised. Would need to be serviced. Food residue deposits of dishwasher foods. Float switch, mechanical, not feeling mechanical connection. There. Can hear switch making and breaking contact. Touchpad control, accepting commands. Select rinse only. Start. Water is pouring into the dishwasher. Water valve power to ground. Water valve is open. Dishwasher KitchenAid design. Systems check. Recycle system. Cancel the rinse only selection. You can hear water draining out of dishwasher. Reselect normal. Start. Dishwasher's draining. Residual water on the sump. Power to ground appears to check normal. Water valve engaged. Water entering dishwasher is at satisfactory temperature, 102 degrees. Minimum need to be 94 degrees for bacteria killing temperature. Dishwasher currently accepting touchpad control commands. The complaint is dishwasher will not turn on. After making observation, float switch making and breaking mechanical connections manually. Mechanical switchology could have been stuck, not allowing water to fill. Via the float switch. Pre-wash the cycle without an element. Without element receiving power. Checking for time duration. Dishwasher run time 6 minutes. Pre-wash, first pump out. Water flow checks good. Pre-wash normal cycle checks good. Power to ground from control board to water valve checks good. Power to ground to control board to drive sump motor checks good, and also to pump, drain pump. Power to ground electrical touchpad control tests good. Touchpad accepts commands. And also accepts cancel, drain, and reset cycle. Pre-wash normal run time is 6 minutes. Run time currently 8 minutes on first drain pump out. Into second fill, water came in, temperature water came in at 106 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 minutes into cycle. Residual cool down, 100 degrees, 6 degrees from 106 to 6 degrees. Power to ground, checking for the element to reheat water. Fahrenheit. Minutes into the cycle run time. Element appears to be on. Power to ground. Control board is sending required 110 volts to element. Water temperature is currently at 104 degrees. An increase of 4 degrees.